Hello, good morning. On my way to town with Felicity because hay fever's playing up, isn't it? Allergies. Yeah, I'm going to town. Get Mum some allergy tablets. Get her some allergy stuff. She's congested from all this pollen. Yeah, I've got Primark as well because this hoodie's had it. It's fading and it's just not looking good anymore.
It's that way.
So now we're going to town.
This way is the shop.
This way's town.
Okay.
My mum has a tent up in the garden and I couldn't even get past it, so I had to go through it under that. This is a new hoodie. It's £12. I just like black hoodies. I don't know, they just go with everything, don't they? Yeah, it's warm. It's £12. I got a PlayStation one. I look like this today. Yes. Look at this greedy little monkey here. She just had pizza and now she's opened a pack of mini cheddars and these things. And she's eating them both at the same time. You like your new t-shirt? Yeah. It's your late birthday present, Alice. And your shoes. I like them. I wish I could have a pair. I do. I wish they did them in adult version. They do cooler shoes for children than they do for adults. Why is that? There's Jonathan. Looking like a dad. Because
I am a dad.
No.
No, George, you can't have them. Nope. They're for humans.
No, no, they're animals.
Ah ha ha ha. Funny.
I'll have one.
So you're on GTA now? Well, Felicity is playing on GTA. She knows how to play it better than I do. Don't you?
Mm-hmm.
And I have a PlayStation hoodie here from Primark. I don't know whether I said that already.
I'm going.
What are you doing, Felicity?
Going to the airport.
The what?
To the airport.
The airport.
Yeah.
On a boat.
To the airport.
Mm.
My hair.
The bike pump has come, but they delivered it to the wrong entrance, so I had to go all the way around. And I mean, it's not the wrong entrance completely, but it's the wrong entrance for our flat. So, I wish you wanted to see my address on there. Hope you didn't see that. I ordered a bike pump if I didn't say already. I don't know what Mum got on here. But yeah, find out now. I'm about to pump my other tyre up. It doesn't really need pumping, but I'm pumping her up anyway. It's just that little bit more pressure that I need. Yeah. I was like, oh, it smells like shit by you, and then realised George fucking pooed right next to where I was pumping tyres up. So yeah, pumping this front wheel up now. Hoping this is the right one now. Should be. Is that Chloe? Go! Oh my Christ, there's a massive spider on it. Oh, jeez. Where's that gone? I didn't get water. Get off my bike. You twats. Like, why do spiders, why are they such twats? See, fucking massive. Dickhead spider. Let's hope the twat has disappeared now. So it's just not on me. Only me. Why are they such twats? I don't get it. I mean, the same could be said for me, but oh, I need to lock it on there. Oh. George, don't like that. Well, let's see. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I bought some new pajamas for the summer because my other ones are getting a bit grubby. All this stuff is like peeling off it because they like the iron-on things. Yeah, it's just they're a bit old. They are the Aristocat one I usually wear. My hands still smell like rubber from where I've been pumping up the bike tire things. When I tried to do Mum's, completely deflated the whole tire. So because it didn't have the right what's it called? Didn't have the right valve adapter thing to actually pump up the tire. So waiting for the right valve thing to pump it up with. And it's all confusing, like know nothing about bikes apart from I have pedals and a chain and you know it moves. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here and I shall see you in tomorrow's video. I'm going to the gym tomorrow. The only reason I didn't go today because I thought there was a handyman coming to do something. But apparently today only came just to look at what he's doing and then they left. So yeah, I'm going to the gym tomorrow. I'm going to be training legs. Yes. Yeah, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.